Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tile Tool Tuesday. This is a series where once a week, every Tuesday, I will upload a quick 5-minute video on a tile-related tool. A tool that is associated with installing tile flooring, backsplashes, remodeling showers. We started off on episode 1 with a dustless cutter from Makita. Now this little cutter is geared towards masonry, cutting pavers, cutting solid surface, quartz, granite, etc. And of course, yes, we will make a few cuts. We will cut hard, thick, half-inch porcelain. We will also cut some quartz. So what we're going to do is simple. We're going to show you up close. We'll quickly unbox this, show you what's included with it. And of course, we will then make a few cuts. We will make 2 cuts with the dust bag attachment. We will also make 2 cuts with a cordless shop vac attached to it as well. So let's quickly move on to the unboxing. Here we go. So here it is, the Makita. Again, the dustless Makita cutter. You've got your dust bag here. And I've been told this has a very, very powerful motor. Let's unbox. You've got your dust bag here. And here is the small Makita handheld dry cut dustless cutter. We've got a clear guard, our attachment here for the dust bag, as well as a shop vac or dust extractor. It is corded, safety, trigger. Let's take a look at the blade. So here is the 5-inch diamond blade by Makita. General use. We will be cutting, again, quartz as well as hard half-inch porcelain to test this out. Again, we will install the dust bag as well as a small cordless shop vac to see how well it can contain dust when dry cutting. So let's quickly install this blade. Quickly, you have your depth adjustment. We'll open it up to install the blade. You've got your Allen wrench here. Nice little slot to store. Let's put the Allen wrench back where it belongs. And there it is. We're ready for some cuts. So again, this thing has a very powerful 13 amp motor that pushes out 12,200 RPMs. Let's get right to it and test this out. So this is what we're gonna cut. We've got very hard, half-inch porcelain tile, as well as 3/4 of an inch quartz. Now, we will make 1 cut each with the included dust bag right here, as well as 1 cut each with a small cordless shop vac attached. Let's get right to it. Respirator and ear protection. Okay, the Makita is all plugged in. Let's quickly listen to the motor. Woo! That's one powerful motor. I can feel the RPMs. And there it is. Another very clean cut. Kicked up a lot more dust with this thicker solid surface quartz. Let's try it with the shop vac. And there it is. This Makita ripped through this hard material with ease. I've got to say, this is probably the most powerful handheld dry or wet cutter that I've ever used by Makita. 5-inch masonry dry cut handheld saw with dust extractor. Now the dust bag did work good, but a shop vac or a dust extractor definitely helps and improves the containment of dust when cutting. Well, that's it for today's video. This thing is a little beast. So please let me know in the comment section below what tile related tools you would like me to review on these 5-minute segments. Tile Tool Tuesday. Your feedback is definitely appreciated. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.